In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoom to HubSpot. By the end, you'll have Zoom linked to your HubSpot account so your meetings and activity can flow right into your CRM with minimal effort. First, make sure you're signed in to HubSpot with an account that has permission to install apps. If you're part of a larger team, you may need admin access in HubSpot, and depending on how your company manages Zoom, an admin there as well. Having the right access up front saves time. From your HubSpot dashboard, look to the top right and click the Marketplace icon. It looks like a small storefront and opens the app catalog. In the menu that appears, choose HubSpot Marketplace to enter the full directory of integrations. Inside the Marketplace, use the search bar to type Zoom. You'll see the official Zoom integration appear in the results. Click it to open the app page. This page is helpful because it outlines what the integration does, the permissions it needs, and key benefits. Typical highlights include automatically logging Zoom meetings to contact records, syncing meeting details to the activity timeline, and helping your team keep track of conversations without manual data entry. Take a moment to scan those details so you know exactly what to expect. When you're ready, click Install on the app page. A new window or tab will prompt you to sign in to Zoom. Make sure you're using the correct Zoom account, especially if you manage multiple profiles. If your organization uses single sign-on, follow the normal sign-in flow. Next, you'll be asked to authenticate the connection. This means reviewing and approving the permissions Zoom needs to share data with HubSpot. These permissions enable features like logging meetings and associating them with contacts, so it's important to accept them for the integration to work properly. Confirm to continue. After you approve, you'll be taken back to HubSpot while the connection completes. This usually happens quickly. If your browser blocks pop-ups, temporarily allow them so the sign-in window can open. And if you see that the install button is unavailable, it usually means you need additional permissions. Checking with your admin resolves that. That's it. Zoom is now connected to HubSpot. From here, your team can book and run Zoom meetings as usual, while HubSpot captures the relevant activity in the background, keeping your records organized and up to date. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the smoother workflow that comes with connecting Zoom to HubSpot.